Hey guys, so following on from last night, I'm doing the lentil pasta for my son's bento box. So we have vegan cocktail sausage, Quorn pepperoni, some spinach, some veggies, some mashed avocado, that's quite tasty. And then we've got some fruit and nuts seed mix with cashews and raisins and a few other bits in there, and some fruit pastels, nice little treat for him there, and some chocolate orange buttons, another little treat, but it is Friday so that's okay. We've added a naked bar, broken up, and some flapjack as well, and then we finish with some salted popcorn. So what do you think about this bento box? What do you put in your bento box? Just let me know in the comments below. And oops!